Hello everyone, I welcome you all in my new video. So in this video, we'll see the analysis for Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow, that is for the expiry day. So let's see how the Nifty behaved today and what were the levels which I discussed in yesterday's analysis video. So if you can refer back to my analysis, I referred this levels, that 16,360 levels. So I expected if we get a gap up opening above this level, then we are expecting Nifty to touch 16,500 levels. And the good part was Nifty almost touched this level after opening today. So we got a good gap up opening and the global markets were also positive. So we got a very good gap up opening here. So this completely Nifty today almost traded in this zone which I have marked here. So if you can see here, we opened somewhere around this, around 500 here somewhere, and then the market went up, it came down, and the if I compare Nifty and Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty was like slowly underperforming, slightly underperforming Nifty, but Nifty was like maintained the consistency, like it almost traded at 16,500 levels, but the thing was like the premiums were not favorable for today to trade, and for option sellers, but for buyers it can be a good opportunity. But talking about tomorrow for the expiry day, what levels we can look for, so looking at today's closing, it seems like there can be a flat opening tomorrow. But if we get a flat opening and then again Nifty tries to move in upward direction and it cross this zone, that is 16,600 levels, then we can see a upward movement in Nifty, and this zone I have marked because then we can see if Nifty continues to move in this range, we can see 16,800 levels also in Nifty. But talking about the on the downside, because the fact was that today even Nifty didn't was not in the whole day, it didn't able to cross the above the levels where it opened, but it initially gradually it came down. So the if it opens tomorrow below this level or we get a gap down opening, so this is the level which we should consider, that is 16 almost 400 level. If it goes below this, we should be shorting Nifty in the intraday. So this is actually the gap which is created, and I'm hoping that this gap might get filled in coming days. So we can get, if we get, so we need to see this level. So if I talk about overnight position, I don't see a very good premiums carrying overnight for today. So now let's go to Bank Nifty. So if I talk about Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty almost this is the zone where it traded today. So we got a very good gap up opening in Bank Nifty. It was able to open above 36,000, but as you can see here, after initially opening, we got a red candle, big red candle, and anyways then we get a green, and then it didn't sustain. So as I mentioned that compared to Nifty, actually Bank Nifty underperformed, and we were not able to sustain 36,100 level, and Bank Nifty almost traded below this in the whole day, and during the closing hours we saw Bank Nifty touching 35,880 level. So this was the last where Bank Nifty touched today. So what levels we should consider for tomorrow? So see here, I have marked this zone. So 35,800 I am taking it as an immediate support for Bank Nifty. So tomorrow if we don't get a flat opening, so and Bank Nifty opens at this level and gradually goes down below this level, so we can expect, we can short at these levels. And if the Bank Nifty opens above this level, I'm hoping that if we can get a flat opening again in Bank Nifty. But again, if we get a kind of gap up opening, so we need to wait for 36,200 level Bank Nifty to cross this level, and then if it sustains and goes above this, we can see this levels which I have marked, that is 36,500, 600 levels we can see in Bank Nifty. So talking about the options, so as I mentioned that today was not a very good day for the option players, especially on the selling side. So tomorrow let's see, depending on where we get open, if we get some intraday opportunity, we can definitely trade at this level. So this was the video of for the analysis. Hope you like it. Please like the channel and please subscribe to the channel and share it with the ones who may be interested in learning. So thank you everyone and see you again in my next video. Thank you.